We complain about our cold mornings, but that's like the daytime high in a lot of places these days.
Yeah, it is amazing.
And it recovers so nicely. Now, it won't be as cold tonight, but there's still lots of cold air to show you. Take a look across the country. Look to the top right of your screen. Yep, that's Caribou at 1 above at 11 o'clock this morning. And the blues, the purples, they stay north. Green colors, those are warmer temperatures, even at this 11 o'clock hour stretch all the way up to Chicago. But we're starting to see some of those blues in our area. Don't worry, we're not headed to the 30s for tonight. 32 was where we were last night. 69 our afternoon high today. Normals, look at the records, almost 2¼ inches below normal. We'd like to see some rain, and that's the possibility. Clouds and 48 degrees right now at WTOC, 95% or 90% relative humidity. Our winds are currently cool. 68 was our high. Pressure still incredibly high, too. If you're pressure sensitive, drink plenty of water. You may be feeling uncomfortable today as this approaching front is headed our way. Let's take a closer look from the Houston area past Alexandria up into Mississippi, past Memphis, Nashville. Look at Cincinnati starting to see some showers into the Ohio area. Pittsburgh, well, it'll stay south of there into Wheeling, West Virginia, and eventually into the mid-Atlantic. But in our part of the world, no rain yet. We do think some of those showers will come our way. And Future Max gives us a pretty good handle on that. Look at the clouds that we see overnight tonight. By 9 o'clock tomorrow, those showers are across North Georgia, spreading into the coastal empire, but falling apart again. First thing Thursday morning, the showers are through, things clear, and then we look back to the west. Here's the next system. Looks like it'll track into the Ohio Valley, giving us just a glancing blow of showers expected for the weekend. Here's what's going on. High pressure's moved out of the way. One warm front has come through. That's why we're not as cold tonight. Then the second cold front comes right behind it. Little area of high pressure behind that. Then the next warm front and cold front gets organized out here in the west. That's headed this way as well for the weekend. In fact, our Doppler Max 11 forecast, not as cold for tonight. 48 should be the low, just a light south breeze. Tomorrow, that 20% chance of showers is late in the day, probably after sunset. 71 should be the high south breeze at 4 to 8 miles an hour. From our 71, 53, and the 50% chance of showers Thursday morning, that's Wednesday night into Thursday. By noon, we're turning partly cloudy again, high of 73, mostly sunny, 70 on Friday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, could see a chance of showers. Good news here, temperatures stay relatively mild. Overnight lows don't get real cold either. Don't see any more 30s coming our way at all. So 48 for tonight, 71 for tomorrow with a chance of showers late in the day. And if you're looking forward to the weekend, so many fun things going on the first weekend of February. Check them out. Don't worry about the weather. Don't let it change any of your plans. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
Thanks, John.
So nice out. I'm beginning to think the basketball games are going to go back out into the courts in the parks.